Hey everyone, I'm Jason Houston and I'm a local real estate agent here in the Summerville area. If you're looking to make the move to the Charleston area, then please subscribe to our channel as we will go over different communities, things to do in the area, and general advice for home ownership. Today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite communities located in Summerville, South Carolina. It's called Summers Corner. It's quite unlike anything in Summerville, and while we're there, I will go over some of the best things about the community, such as the beautiful parks, the school center, and what is actually coming to Summers Corner. It is located just off of the beautiful Highway 61 and 17 in Summerville, which is an amazing town itself, but still close to Charleston, about 35 minutes from downtown. What makes this community unique is that it's located around these beautiful ponds that have so much wildlife in them, while still being close to the town. There is Buffalo Lake that is 95 acres in size. It is a great spot for fishing where you can catch largemouth bass and catfish, which is perfect for the annual Father's Day fishing event. Buffalo Lake sports a dock where you can launch kayaks from and have picnics at. Yoga and painting classes also take place here. I've even seen bald eagles flying around there. It is a very peaceful and special place that a lot of communities just don't have. There are over 3.8 miles of trails throughout Summers Corner, guiding you right through the multiple parks that are homes to native plants that are perfect for morning or evening stroll, or great for hanging out with friends and family. Summers Corner also has some really cool events like its own farmers market, where you can find fresh produce, plants and flowers, along with great entertainment and food with live music. For the kids, they usually have water slides and snow biz shape ice. Sandhill Elementary is a brand new state-of-the-art elementary school located walking distance. Rawlings Middle School of the Arts is a school specialized in one of the 7 core arts of areas. Both of these schools are just a golf cart ride away. How cool is that? One of the really unique things about Summers Corner is that it has its very own garden club that has garden demonstrations and even brush lettering classes. There are also food truck Wednesdays, which is some amazing food. Now we're going to take a quick walkthrough of some of the models in Summers Corner so you can have the first-hand look at the models. Check them out. Well, thanks for checking out our video of Summer's Corner today. If you'd like to know more about this community, please reach out to me today at 843-925-7600, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what our next videos are coming up. Thanks, have a good one.